Smart Culture, Mathematics.
Let's take a look at this example question. Calculate the volume of the sphere, giving your answer to 3 significant figures. So what we do is we write down the formula that we can use to determine the volume of a sphere, and then we plug in the value for the radius, which in this case is 3. So then we get 113.1 cubic centimeters. Given that the volume of a sphere is 150 cubic centimeters, work out the radius. So here is the formula. Now we have to rearrange this formula to make the radius the subject. Now we know that the volume is equal to 150, so we substitute this value into the formula. That means the radius will be equal to 3.30. So the radius is 3.30 centimeters.
And that's a wrap on today's fascinating journey through the world of knowledge. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our ever-growing community of curious minds. We can't wait to embark on new educational adventures together.